If you're working in sales, chances are you're getting hundreds of emails each and every single day, and so you're getting hundreds of leads that you're not taking advantage of. And that is because you're not processing that data efficiently. So in the following minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make use of a tool called Mailparser to automate that process. And it doesn't matter if you're a real estate agent, you're an insurance broker, you're a car dealer, the process stays the same. Mailparser will automate the process for you so that you can squeeze the most out of your inbox and make sure that you're not losing a single lead. To put it very simply, Mailparser will allow you to have all of the data in one place so you can keep things organized and manage your email marketing campaigns. And guys, who knows? Perhaps one of those leads that you have in your inbox and you're absolutely ignoring is your next big contract. So let's get right to the chase. The first thing you need to do is connect to mailparser.io. And in order to make sure this is crystal clear, let's just imagine that you're a real estate agent, and so you're getting emails from Zillow, apartments.com, Realtor, and a bunch of other websites, right? Well, as soon as you get one of those emails, you get to forward them to Mailparser. In other words, all of the data you're getting from those emails is pretty much trapped inside the body of the email that you never read. What Mailparser does, it extracts all the relevant data based on your custom parsing rules. And that gives you a list of different leads that you can make use of. Data gets automatically sent to applications you already use or is available to download, so you can make use of it efficiently. In other words, you get to capture the data from incoming emails and then move it to where it belongs. And the best part about it is that it's already integrated with most of the tools you're already using, so you don't have to go out of your way to use Mailparser. For instance, one thing you can do is extract the data from your emails and turn that into an Excel sheet. You can turn those emails into leads using a CRM such as Salesforce, HubSpot, or Pipedrive. You can use Google Sheet instead of Excel, and they've got 1,500 different other integrations. But again, let's say that you are a realtor. Here's how you can automate your real estate lead management using Mailparser. To put it very simply, what Mailparser can do is automatically receive the emails you're getting sent by Zillow, Realtor, apartments.com, and all of these other websites. And once the emails come in, you can quickly and accurately extract the listing and lead data, such as the first name, the last name, phone number, all of this relevant information. Once you have that, you can structure it into the CRM you're using or email system, which is already integrated with Mailparser. So once again, you don't have to go out of your way to use it. If you're a realtor, they will walk you through the process of using Mailparser in your field of activity. Alternatively, if you're a car salesman, you can also use Mailparser and they will walk you through the process one step at a time, basically holding your hand throughout the whole thing. Now, let's say that you're working as a headhunter, and so you want to automate the process of receiving resumes and extracting the most relevant data. Well, believe it or not, you have a full tutorial that will walk you through that process. So you get to save time and money, speed up the recruitment process, hire the best candidate based on their data, and most significantly, build a consistent and reliable talent pool. All of that without doing the actual boring work yourself manually and instead automating it. Now, going back to mailparser.io for a second, if you want to sign up for a new account, that is absolutely free of charge. You get to try it out for free and there is no credit card required. So you don't have to enter in any credit card credentials up front. All you need to do is use your Google account, Microsoft account, or you can just set up a new account using your email address. I'm not going to bore you with that process because anyone can do it. And they're not going to ask for any intrusive data either. Now, once that is out of the way, this is where the magic happens. This is what your dashboard looks like, where you can actually create your first inbox. You want to enter in an inbox name. For instance, let's name it Zillow Leads. And then you want to pick a category. And then you might also want to enter in some notes, which could be helpful for you later, such as sales leads sent to my email or emails that are forwarded to my personal account, and so on and so forth. You got it. Now, mailparser.io is going to create a custom email address for you, and you can copy that to your clipboard. This is basically where your emails will be redirected so that Mailparser can use their automations to extract your data. But now, instead of starting from scratch, you can also head over to the template section and select the parsing template. For instance, let's say that we are looking into job applications on Indeed.com. Well, you can find a bunch of different templates that are already done for you. Likewise, let's say that we are looking for online stores on eBay? Well, we can structure all of that data without having to build the automation from scratch. You can choose one of these templates in the specific category and take it from there. Now, when it comes to the free plan, you can process up to 30 emails and create up to 10 different inboxes on a monthly basis. After which, you will get a reset and you will get that amount again and again. And this could be pretty useful. But here's the thing. Chances are most of you, if you're in sales, you're getting hundreds of emails daily. So 30 emails a month will not really be that useful. Now, if you want to upgrade, here's how you do that. Mailparser actually has a bunch of different options, ranging from the starter pack to the professional one and professional plus. Now, you also have business, business plus, business premium, and so on and so forth, depending on the size of your business. So if you're just doing this as a real estate agent, the professional package might be enough. If you're doing this for your business, then you may want to look into the enterprise options. That is entirely up to you and up to how many emails you want to process. Now, obviously, if you want to go for an annual subscription instead, you get to keep about 15% of the price. These guys are literally processing hundreds of thousands of emails and making sure that you never miss another lead again. And the best part about it is that you can integrate Mailparser with the tool you're already using, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. They will extract the data from your emails, send it over to your CRM, and you can take it from there and add those leads to your email marketing campaign or whatever it is that you are doing. So you're not leaving any money on the table in your inbox. Now, if you want to give it a try, I'm going to have a direct link down there in the description box so you can check it out. Remember, you can try out mailparser.io for absolutely free, figure out how it works, integrate it with the other tools you're using, and then take it from there depending on your requirements. But what I can assure you of is that it's gonna help you take full advantage of your inbox and make sure you squeeze the most out of it. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.